Have you ever wondered who is responsible for making petrol usable, drinking water safe? The answer lies in the field of chemical engineering. Where science meets innovation to serve society, chemical engineering is not just about working with chemicals. It transforms raw materials into valuable products like fuels, medicines, fertilizers, cosmetics, food, and clean water. It combines chemistry, physics, mathematics, and biology to solve real-world problems. Chemical engineers scale up reactions from test tubes to industrial level, designing huge reactors, distillation columns, and production units. The scope of chemical engineering is vast and ever-growing, with opportunities in energy, water purification and waste treatment, renewable energy research, and environmental protection. Chemical engineering is also evolving with AI, data science, and automation, playing a key role in solving global issues, such as climate change, energy crisis, and public health. So if you love science, enjoy solving complex challenges, and want to contribute to a better world, chemical engineering is a career worth exploring. It's a field that not only gives you knowledge, but also the power to make a real impact. World of chemical engineering, where chemistry becomes creativity and innovation drives transformation.